Osjetite tu energiju, samo osjetite i let go. Ljubav pobjedi sve. Let the love win this time and space. Tokrat ljubezen zmaga. Čutite to zmago ljubezni nad temo, svetlobe nad temo. Just feel we are not creating, we are manifesting this new reality, new earth, new relationships. Just feel it, how we are strong, how we are dancing in this sacred space.